Introduction. In physics, force is a fundamental concept that describes the interaction between objects that can cause a change in motion. It plays a vital role in understanding the behavior of matter and is a cornerstone of classical mechanics developed primarily by Sir Isaac Newton. Definition of force. Force is defined as a push or pull on an object resulting from its interaction with another object. It has both magnitude and direction, making it a vector quantity. The SI unit of force is the Newton. 1 Newton is the force required to accelerate a 1 kg mass by 1 meter per second squared. Contact forces. These forces occur when two objects are in physical contact. Examples include frictional force, resist motion between surfaces. Tension force, transmitted through a rope or cable. Normal force, exerted by a surface perpendicular to the object. Applied force, directly applied by a person or object. Non-contact, action at a distance, forces. These forces act even when objects are not in contact. Examples include gravitational force, attraction between masses. Electromagnetic force, between charged particles. Nuclear force, holds atomic nuclear together. Newton's laws of motion. Force is deeply connected to Newton's laws. First law, inertia. An object remains at rest or in uniform motion unless acted upon by a force. Second law, force equals mass times acceleration. Third law, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Measurement of force. Instruments such as spring scales, load cells, and force sensors are used to measure force in scientific and industrial settings. Conclusion. Force is a central concept in both science and technology, crucial for explaining natural phenomena and designing technological solutions. From everyday activities to advanced engineering systems, understanding and controlling forces is essential to progress in various fields. Life processes. Life processes are the things all living things do to stay alive. These include nutrition, taking in food for energy; respiration, breaking down food to get energy; transport, moving things like food and water around the body; excretion, getting rid of waste; growth, becoming bigger and developing; reproduction, making more of the same kind, babies or new plants; sensitivity, reacting to things around them, like light or sound; movement, changing position or moving parts of the body. If something does all this, it's alive. Classification means sorting or grouping living things based on their features. This helps scientists study them better. Living things are grouped from big groups to small groups like this: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species, the most specific group.